Hey now.
When possible, make a U-turn.
It's timely. And it's a tree.
When possible, make a U-turn.
It's not possible. Or tell me where to go. Or tourist. Are they from Ohio?
When possible, make a
Iowa.
U-turn.
You want me to keep trying to get her to...
Shut her yapper.
I'm sorry, I just don't know what's going on for sure.
We're fine. We're on
I
the
know,
right road.
you're confident, so...
Yes, we're on the right road.
Just trying to see, she's calculating.
When possible, make a U-turn.
Let's do the skip thing again. This road's so narrow that people have to pull over.
Should we see? Thank you. Excuse me.
When possible, make a U-turn.
Just keep your hand there, because you're probably going to have to do it a few times.
When possible, make a U-turn.
Cinch Park Plaza, oh boy. That's the next one.
It's fine.
So that's probably going to be several of these.
You're good.
In 2 miles, turn right onto West Robinson Road.
She's all screwed up now. She's got us arrived at 10:23. Who knows where the hell she's at?
Yeah, it said that Cinch Farmer's Whites. So she's clear back there.
Oh, she clear right there. We're down the hill.
I don't know how that happens.
In 1 3/4 miles, turn right onto West Robinson Road.
Well, it said arrival time 6:30,
Hmm.
which is more like, now it says 6:59. It's more like realistic. Don't worry about it. Trust that and trust your...
Well, the only thing with this is it doesn't tell me what, it doesn't say when. All I think I know, and I'm not sure if I know. Okay, we did that turn left, didn't we, onto South Lakeshore Drive. We've done that, I guess. So I guess, but that would have been a long time ago. Drive north on North Lakeshore Drive / M119.
Yeah, so what's after that?
Then it's like arrive at your destination, which is Cross Village.
And then what's after that?
Then a bunch of stuff for an hour and 50 minutes, and then we get at the hotel.
Okay, so
But I don't know if we've missed
we haven't missed anything.
drive north on North Lake Shore
No,
Drive.
we haven't. We're
Okay.
on 119. We haven't missed anything.
All right, okay. It's just she says we're on South Lake Shore Drive, which we did turn on to. Okay.
We're on 119. That's where we're supposed to be. This is a tunnel of trees.
Just hope we're going the right direction.
We're going the right direction. We can't be going the wrong direction here.
All right.
We're going north.
Fine. Okay.
North is the right direction.
You're familiar with the route. So.
119 is the road. We can't be going the wrong direction.
All right. Then I'll show you later, and you can.
Okay. But stop worrying about it. Enjoy the view. You're not meant to be a full-time staring at the paper navigator.
That's what you told me I was supposed to do.
Well, that's not what I intend for you to do. No, there's nobody behind us. They turn in what?
In half a mile,
Mr. Blower
turn
made.
right onto West Robinson Road.
It's probably going to be a hard skip.
What's that?
Just turning right up here is going to be a skip.
Goodhart General Store. That's what's the next destination thing.
Okay.
So that must be before we drive north on North Lake Shore Drive.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto West
Do you
Robinson
think
Road.
this means we do
Turn
that?
right onto
turning
West Robinson Road.
7.3 miles?
Yes, that's what that means.
All right, because then that would make sense, because this says drive north on North Lake Shore Drive, M119, and then that's for
Is this your
7
general
point.
market in the store? What are you talking
When
about?
possible, make a U-turn,
I think
then
so.
Yeah.
take the first left.
It is. This is your general store. Get ready to
So-
close.
Turn left onto West Robinson Road.
No.
So it had the destination on the left, which was Goodhart General Store, and then it says drive north on North Lake Shore Drive, which now that's what it says. So it must turn into north. What the fuck? They shouldn't do that.
This woman, I don't know where the hell she's trying to take us. Can you point it?
All right, drive north.
When possible,
So we
make
should
a
be doing the
U-turn.
7.1 miles.
Okay.
Let me get my... And then we'll reach a destination, which I guess is Cross Village, and then we'll go from there. That almost was like when I pushed on the thing, it did that. You want me to keep doing this?
Yeah, she's like going.
When possible, make a
She's
U-turn.
like back to who knows where, because she's saying it's 10:08 for the.
Farmer
Good,
White's.
Farmer White's. Good God, woman.
Skip. And don't forget to watch out for...
Turn left onto Timber Lake Drive, then make a
Skip
U-turn.
it. That is
I screwed up. Will it jump? Hold on. Damn it.
When possible, make a U-turn.